Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how much iPhone 15 Pro Max costs. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Google and search for iPhone 15 Pro Max. Hit enter and you need to open the first website of Apple. So once you open, let's suppose I'm going to search here order iPhone 15 Pro Max. So then it will show me. Let me change to 15 Pro Max. Click on the first website. So now you can see that once you open this, you are on the order page. Okay, so here you can see iPhone 15 Pro. It will cost you from $999. iPhone 15 Pro Max from 1199. And once you here you can see that storage. So you can see that the 1 TB iPhone 15 Pro Max is in $1,599. You can also finance that, but from here you can see the price on the website, and this is the official Apple website, and you can buy iPhone 15 Pro Max from here as well. So in this video I show you how much iPhone 15 Pro Max cost you. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.